Pocket Projector, a new compact portable projection device, appearance large, elegant and delicate, colorful design, varied modes, supports a variety of electronic devices you can quickly use without a driving program. $160 grams, lightweight, portable design, convenient user interface, built-in, rechargeable, 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery, lasts up to 2 hours working time. Real point-to-point connecting way, no need router. The projector enables mirroring with smart devices directly. With better stability and compatibility, let a customer have perfect user experience. Operation in Wi-Fi function a projector. Go to your phone's AirPlay settings, select the projector and enable mirroring. Go to screen mirroring in your Android smartphone settings. After setting up, you can use phone for screen mirroring. Note: compatible with Android OS 4.22, iOS 7.0 above. Go big screen for mobile game. Secondary display. Equipped hi-fi stereo speakers from South Korea for excellence in gameplay. Enjoy big screen for watching movies at home. Built-in 1080 pixels FHD playback system for better socket audio-video experience. (16:9) display ratio with HD resolution. Phone's screen mirroring makes PPT presentation more easier. Connect USB flash disk to Pocket Projector. Select XX option. Plug in and play. Convenient multimedia play. Connects via HDMI compatible cable to tablets, DVD, XLR camera, game consoles, set-top box, notebook and more. Supports all devices with HDMI output. Plug in and play. Simple operation. Quick to enjoy big screen.